Inflammation, the body's natural response to injury or infection, is a double-edged sword. While acute inflammation is essential for healing, chronic inflammation can lead to various diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Fortunately, nature has provided us with a plethora of anti-inflammatory foods that can help combat inflammation and promote overall health. One delicious and convenient way to incorporate these foods into your diet is by blending them into smoothies. In this video, we will cover 6 anti-inflammatory smoothie recipes packed with nutrient-rich ingredients to support your well-being. 1. Tropical Turmeric Blast. Indulge in a tropical turmeric blast, a vibrant concoction bursting with flavors and health benefits. To create this invigorating smoothie, gather the essentials: 1 cup of hydrating coconut water, a ripe banana for creaminess, 1/2 cup of tangy pineapple chunks, 1/2 teaspoon of potent turmeric powder renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, a handful of nutritious spinach, and a tablespoon of chia seeds for added texture and omega-3 fatty acids. Blend all these ingredients together until velvety smooth, creating a tantalizing blend that delights the senses and nourishes the body. The result is a luscious yellow potion brimming with tropical goodness and the healing touch of turmeric. Savor every sip as you bask in the fusion of flavors, from the tropical sweetness of banana and pineapple to the earthy undertones of turmeric and spinach. Whether enjoyed as a morning pick-me-up or a post-workout refresher, this tropical turmeric blast promises to invigorate your taste buds and elevate your well-being with each delicious gulp. 2. Berry Beet Bliss. Dive into a burst of revitalizing flavors with Berry Beet Bliss, a vibrant concoction packed with wholesome ingredients. To create this irresistible smoothie, start by gathering 1-2 cup of assorted berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, along with a small cooked beetroot, peeled and chopped. Combine these with 1-2 cup of creamy Greek yogurt, or opt for dairy-free yogurt for a vegan-friendly twist. Enhance the mix with a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup to amplify its natural sweetness. For an extra punch, grate in 1-2 teaspoon of ginger to infuse the blend with a subtle zing. Achieve the perfect texture by pouring in 1-2 cup of almond milk and blending until luxuriously smooth. This fusion of vibrant colors not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also offers a plethora of health benefits. The berries contribute their powerful antioxidant properties, while the beets provide anti-inflammatory benefits. Together, they orchestrate a harmonious symphony of flavors, transforming the smoothie into a deliciously nutritious treat that will leave you feeling refreshed and energized. 3. Green Goddess Avocado Smoothie. The Green Goddess Avocado Smoothie is a tantalizing fusion of wholesome elements, promising a symphony of flavors and healthful advantages. Marrying the velvety richness of ripe avocado with the verdant crispness of spinach, diced cucumber, and fragrant cilantro or parsley, this concoction presents a mosaic of tastes. Infusing the juice of a lime imbues it with a lively zest, elevating its overall flavor profile. Employing coconut water or plain water ensures a seamlessly smooth texture while maintaining a hydrating and airy essence. What distinguishes this smoothie is not solely its delectability, but also its nutritional merits. Brimming with anti-inflammatory properties, courtesy of avocado, spinach, and cucumber, it emerges as an optimal selection for bolstering a robust inflammatory response. 4. Golden Glow Mango Smoothie. Indulge in the radiant allure of the Golden Glow Mango Smoothie, a tantalizing concoction that seamlessly blends flavor with health benefits. Crafted with care, this vibrant elixir begins with a foundation of 1 cup of frozen mango chunks, infusing each sip with tropical sweetness. To enrich its creamy texture and add a dose of protein, 1-2 cup of creamy Greek yogurt or its dairy-free alternative is introduced. A harmonious marriage of spices follows. with a dash of ground turmeric and a sprinkle of ground cinnamon, bestowing not only depth of flavor, but also imbuing the smoothie with their potent anti-inflammatory properties. To achieve the perfect balance of sweetness, a dollop of honey or maple syrup is drizzled in, elevating the taste experience. A final touch of almond milk brings everything together, creating a sunshine yellow masterpiece that promises to invigorate your senses and nourish your body with every sip. 5. Pineapple Ginger Zinger. Indulge in the Pineapple Ginger Zinger smoothie, a tantalizing fusion of fresh ingredients promising an explosion of flavor and a surge of vitality. Featuring just a cup of juicy pineapple chunks, a small knob of invigorating ginger, and your choice of hydrating coconut water or plain water, along with a splash of tangy lime juice and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. This recipe embodies simplicity and satisfaction. Crafting this revitalizing elixir is effortless. Simply blend all the components until velvety smooth. The outcome? A vivacious potion melding the spicy zest of ginger with the tropical succulence of pineapple, achieving a delightful equilibrium of tastes. Yet, beyond its delectable allure, this smoothie is a nutritional powerhouse. Ginger harbors potent anti-inflammatory prowess, making it a formidable ally for your morning rituals. Teamed with the hydrating prowess of coconut water and the vitamin C-rich bounty of pineapple, the Pineapple Ginger Zinger emerges as the quintessential morning tonic, a refreshing, nourishing libation to ignite your day with vigor and well-being. Treat yourself to this vibrant concoction and embark on a journey of flavor and vitality with every sip. 6. Cherry Almond Anti-Inflammatory Smoothie. The Cherry Almond Anti-Inflammatory Smoothie presents a delightful fusion of flavors that also offers a myriad of health benefits. Its simplicity lies in its ingredient list: frozen cherries, almonds, Greek yogurt, or a dairy-free alternative, honey or maple syrup, vanilla extract, and almond milk. Combining these ingredients in a blender results in a smooth and creamy concoction that is as delicious as it is nutritious. What truly distinguishes this smoothie is its dual-action approach to combating inflammation. Cherries boast a high concentration of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which play a vital role in neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Meanwhile, almonds bring to the table their own anti-inflammatory prowess, courtesy of their abundance of healthy fats, fiber, and vitamin E. By blending these two powerhouse ingredients together, this smoothie becomes a convenient and enjoyable means of supporting overall health and well-being. Incorporating these anti-inflammatory smoothies into your diet can be a tasty and convenient way to support your body's natural defense against inflammation. Whether you're looking to boost your overall health or manage specific inflammatory conditions, these nutrient-packed beverages can be a valuable addition to your daily routine. Experiment with different combinations of ingredients to find your favorite flavors and enjoy the many benefits of these delicious anti-inflammatory smoothies. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you!